Hello, my name is Lenny and this is R.T.B models, and as you can see, not in my regular place. No, I'm in the kitchen where I'm supposed to be. Anyway, this is a bit of an impromptu video, just to show you how easy it is to mess about with some simple basic AI and put a background on your said finished kits. I found this by accident because I was bored, and I used it and I think I got some really good results. And the guys that I follow or in a group with, the Sheffield Modelers group, have used it and they've got exceptional results from it as well. It's not this video it's not a you know, oh, do this and you'll get something free. No, using Gemini stills, as in still photos, is free, absolutely free. If you want to create a AI video, I'm afraid you're going to have to pay for that. But if you're just happy with AI stills, like I am and quite a few others are, this is a really bit of an eye-opener, and it really will give your finished kits a really sort of like major boost. And yeah, it is good. So anyway, I'll explain to you what's going on as we go along, and so you don't sort of like miss out or get the wrong end of the stick. And yeah, so go and have a look. So once you've downloaded the Gemini app, all you're going to do is just tap on it and it will take you straight through to the sort of like the frontage page. So once you're there, it says any ideas on to explore. So all you need to do is tap the plus button, go to the photos and pick whatever photo that you want to be processed through the AI software. Now, as you can see, I've got loads of my doggy. Oh, look, okay, we'll pick that one. So once you've picked your photo that you really want to enhance, all you got to do is to write in whatever you want. Now, for me, I've put in, please remove the background and replace it with, come on, English, Lenny, an airfield. And that is it. So you tap on the blue button and it's going to generate. It takes less than a minute, literally less than a minute. And once it's busy doing its stuff, it will give you an image. And keep going. Ta-da. It'll tell you what it's done. And then you can actually look at the image. So all you do is, once that image is actually sort of like done, you save it and it goes on to a download and goes into your photo files. Whoosh. So there you go, that's your image all nicely done. And if you can see, you've got everything you really want apart from the shell casings. But anyway, you've got the shadowing and you've got things on the floor like oil stains, petrol, or whatever you want, and it's gravelly, it's concrete, and you've got grass. You've got what looks like a Mark 9 Spitfire in the background, hangars, water towers, and a few little men. Now this enhances your pictures incredibly, it really do. And I highly recommend just have a bit of a play around, and you'll be surprised of the results that you can get. There you go, ladies and gents, that's it. Quick and easy, just like me. Anyway, washing machine's only finished, so I better get out of the line before I get slapped. So yeah, that is it. Feel free, have a muck about, and do what you want. The sky's the limit, it really is. So yeah, if you're into that type of thing, even if you're not, give it a whirl. you know, you might be surprised. Okay, cool. Right, I'm going to go on the bench this afternoon, and I will see you soon. Okay, take care. No, it wasn't my stomach. See you soon. Bye bye.